A very good evening to one and all. Today, in this lecture, we are going to learn the 5 terminologies in biology. So let's see one by one. So first of all, we are going to see the terminology named as unisexual. So, as you know, okay, uni is equals to 1. मतलब यूनी एक होता है, हमने पढ़ा है रूट वर्ड से ये यूनी बाय ट्राई टेट्रा वगैरह, ठीक है। यूनी मतलब 1. ओके, सो व्हेन आई से यूनिसेक्सुअल ऑर्गेनिज्म, इट मींस एन ऑर्गेनिज्म व्हिच इज लाइक like both the sexes are separate, मतलब मेल अलग होगा, फीमेल अलग होगा. Okay, so that is like you can take an example of human beings. In human beings, the male organism is separate and the female organism is separate. So that is what is like the reproductive organs are also separate. Individuals are separate. So in this, the male. Okay, so this is the symbol of male, and this is the symbol of female. So female and male are separate. Okay, so these are separate. Like example I gave you human beings. Okay, in second example, like second terminology is a bisexual organism. So in bisexual organism, bi means two, means an organism. In bisexual organism, both the male as well as the female, both the sexes are present in the same individual. So we say it as bisexual organism. Like we can take example as earthworm. So in earthworm, the testes and ovaries are present in the same individual. So we say it as bisexual organism. Now, besides these two words, there are few words which are a bit confusing and you people get confused. So let's see the third word, that is monoecious. Okay, and the fourth word is dioecious. Okay. Now you people will you people will assume that कि अरे यहाँ पे तो monoecious है, mono मतलब single, तो it would be like same like unisexual, and you will say कि di मतलब दोनों एक ही में होंगे like the bisexual. No, this is not the case. The case is different. So the terminology here says that mono, like I will give you a trick to remember this. Mono has M. M, you can say it as marriage. So as we all know that in marriage, both the male and the female partners stay together. So in this, both the male, okay, this is female, and the male, they stay together. So monoecious is same like your bisexual. Keep it in mind. Bisexual and monoecious both are similar. Okay? Like I gave you example of earthworm. So in earthworm, both the male and the female, that is the testes and ovaries, are present in the same individual. In the same way, like both the terminologies are same for earthworm. Then speaking about the dioecious means divorce. Okay, so when two people divorce means they plan to separate. So that is what is the meaning of divorce, meaning of your dioecious. So female and the male partners are separate. So we say it as dioecious. So both the male will be different, like separate individual, and female will be the separate individual. So we say dioecious. Example is human beings. Human male is different individual and the human female is different individual. So you can say it as dioecious. Another word you have it as, okay, hermaphrodite. So hermaphrodite means same as bisexual and monoecious. Means in hermaphrodite organism, like they are the organisms which have both the male as well as the female reproductive parts in the same individual. There is no separation. So hermaphrodite, your bisexual and the monoecious. All three words are same. So your hermaphrodite, bisexual and monoecious. These three words means that male and the female, both the organisms are in same individual. So we say it as metric goes BMH. It is BMH. So everyone has heard BHMS. Okay, so we will take it as BHM. So BHMS is like a degree of your medical. So we can say BHM, that is nothing but bisexual, H means hermaphrodite, M means monoecious. And the remaining two, unisexual and dioecious, be DU. DU is again a type of your examination. I'm not going into the examination part, but I'm giving you a trick that BHM means your BHMS, medical category it is. So DU and BHM. So here I will show you some diagrams of some organisms. So here is an organism named Ascaris. Okay, so you can read the classification of Ascaris here. Okay, so like I hope the diagram is like visible clearly. So male Ascaris and the female Ascaris. So here both the male and the female are separate. Like you can see clearly in this like the diagram, like both the male and the female are separate. So this is the example of your unisexual and dioecious. Okay, similar words are there. Male and female are different, and the words we say dioecious and unisexual organism, that is your Ascaris. Second, we will take Hydra. So this is Hydra. You can see the ovary, okay, and the testes. So ovary and the testes are present in the same organism. So we say it as what? Monoecious, bisexual or hermaphrodite. Okay, be careful what I told. BHM. And this is DD. D and U. Dioecious, unisexual. BHM. Okay, so Hydra mein testes and ovary both are present in same individual. So we say hermaphrodite, or we say it as like bisexual and monoecious. Three words for the same organism. So be careful with the terminologies. So next we will take a flower diagram. So here you can see typical flower diagram. You can see hibiscus flower. Okay, so I will speak about the typical flower. Gynoecium is there here. Then you have your like androecium. So that is, gynoecium is a female part and androecium is your male part. So this is a bisexual flower. Then you have this hibiscus example. Again gynoecium, female part, and androecium, that is male part. So both are present. So hibiscus is a bisexual flower. Okay. Then speaking about the sunflower. Okay. So you can see stigma, anthers. Okay. You can see ovary also. So again this is a bisexual flower. I hope this is clear. Then you have earthworm. So I told earthworm, I hope this is clear. So earthworm has testes. You can see the in 10th setae, you can see testes in 10, 11, 12 it is present. And then like you can see for the ovary here near 14 and 15 setae. So testes and ovary are present in the same individual. So we say it as hermaphrodite. So I hope the earthworm is also clear. So even human beings are example of unisexual. Okay, male part is like male individual is different and female individual is different. So I hope we spoke about ascrasis, earthworm, sunflower and your hibiscus. Even we spoke about the human beings and these words are clear. Thank you so much.